Morning students, standard 7. Our next topic it is angles and pair of angles that we are going to study. So before that we will study basic things of that, how we are getting angle. See how to draw angle in a fifth standard you people are studied. Afterward different types of angles we are studied in a sixth standard, and now here there are different types of pairs of angles are there. Before that, what is mean by angle? First, before that, any pointed thing, if on a screen if we are putting, what we are getting as a dot, and that dot we label at this point A, point B, like that. From that dot, if two dots are there, see from one dots how many lines we can draw? Infinite. And from two dots how many lines we can draw? Only one. And from a 3 points how many lines you can draw? 1, 2 and 3. 4 points how many lines you can draw? 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. 6 lines we can draw. But the thing is what? Okay, these lines are extending both the sides. This arrow indicating that they are increasing the both the sides. Okay. Now if a dot and there is only one arrow line, it is called as a ray. How we have to read it, this one ray? Origin it is A, and from where it is extending. So ray AB we had to read. We cannot read as a ray BA, because origin means the where the dot from that side it is origin started. But line, suppose it is P and Q, 2 points are there, you can read as a line PQ, otherwise line QP, because it is extending both the sides, so you can read the any direction, this way, otherwise this. But for this array where the dot is there from origin, it is called as the origin of the ray, and it is extending one side. If two rays having the common their origin, then we are getting as a angle. These are called the angle. Now last year we are studied as a zero angle, means on the origin there both the arrows on one, so there is a no inclination. Inclination means what? Suppose now this mine compass is there, if you are looking this one, there both the lines on one, and this is main origin, means there is a no inclination. But slowly when I extend it, then you observe this is called as inclination, and then the angle forming. Now when I extend means it is exactly straight when I extend it. So which type of angle it is forming? As a right angle. And less than 90 angle all, means if maybe 89 degree, then it is called as a acute angle. If after more than 90 angle when I extend, then it is called as a obtuse angle. And when exactly straight middle, means the origin here and the one ray is here becoming and one ray is here. And suppose my origin A, B point here C, then this is called as a straight angle, and whose degree it is 180. More than this one, if extending again more than that one going on, then it is called as a reflex angle. This is called as more than 180, it is called reflex angle. And when it is completely they are making a round till here again, this is our origin A, but B and C again after inclination getting one round, it is called as a complete angle, and its circle it is forming, so that measurement it is a 360 degree. Straight angle 180, zero angle 0 degree, less than 90 acute angle, exact 90 right angle, more than 90 obtuse angle, more than 180 means that one a straight angle, more than 180 it is a reflex angle, and the total complete one it is measurement, it is a 360. So these are things basic we have studied last year, and how to construct the angle. By measuring the angle, we are using the protractor, and protractor having both that measurement are there, left hand side and right hand side, that you know how to do it. Now this year we are going to study about the, now suppose mine this is a acute angle, how to read it this. See how many arms are there, parts of angle, they having the one vertex and two arms are there, arm AB and arm BC. Means arm BA and arm BC, B is a common vertex. So how to read this angle? Angle ABC you can read out, otherwise angle CBA. Means this one direction, otherwise this direction we can read out the angle. Angle B also I can read out, those the angle is middle, that one we can tell. Means in a one letter I can write it is angle B. This is the sign of angle. And segment, for shortcut we are writing segment, for ray shortcut we are writing ray. So this sign it is indicating as a angle. Angle B you have to read as, otherwise angle ABC, or we can tell angle CBA. See, angle ABC or angle CAB or angle B. This way you can read out it. Now they is given a figure. In this figure, what is the vertex of this angle? B. Which are, write the names of arm. Arm BA, it is called as a ray BA also, or arm BC means the ray BC. Understood? Which points are there on the these are arms? Then point A and B are the points on the arm or ray BA, and point B and C on the ray B and ray BC. Like that it is there. Then we are understood about the vertex having the common, two rays having the common vertex. Then they are forming as angle. Types of angles also we are just revise it. Now there triangles, even I think this part also. In this triangle, the part between these arms, this part, it is called as the interior of the angle, and the outside this is this part, okay, this it is interior of the, and this is outside those part, it is called as the exterior. These are exterior part, these are interior part, and if any point is lying on the angle, it is called on the angle. Such a things also you have to just see. Suppose now I am drawing obtuse angle. My angle name is PQR, otherwise RQP. Vertex it is a Q, and A point mine B here, C is here, D is here, G is here, H is there, I is there. Then you observe that for this interior angles, interior points are there, point A and point B. On the angle, which point are there? Point C and point D. Actually P, Q, R they are on the angle only, but another points which are D and C, and the exterior which are there, G, point I, point H. These are the exterior of the angles. Now there is a one pair I just want to explain. It is a, what is mean by adjacent. Adjacent angles. This is our first pair. Adjacent angle, see the word it is only adjacent, means the aside, but there some properties are there. See, if your some neighbor's house it is there, means your proper bungalow is not there, if blocks are there, in a flat system, just you see in a one floor there are suppose 4 plots are there, in plats are there, in that plat another neighbors there is only common one wall is there, means they having the only common thing is between their wall and behind wall, otherwise left hand side or right hand side their rooms are there. What I am telling here means they are adjacent to you, like that I just want to explain. Now see, suppose my angle A BC. And in that angle, one ray if I drawn, suppose ray BD. You just observe that how many angles are there. One is ABD, second one is DBC, and third one complete ABC. Three angles I am getting. But adjacent angles means what? For an angle ABD and BDC having the common arm, that is the BD, and their interiors, for angle ABD interiors are different, and for angle DBC these interior are different. The angles which having the common vertex and common arm but their interiors are different, such an angle it is called as adjacent angle. See, same thing I am telling your neighbors, only the common it is wall there. This side your part is different, neighbors part different, means they are adjacent to you. So it is called as a adjacent angle. If we are seeing this one, see in this figure also MQ they having the common arm and for an angle, but if you are say angle BMD and if I taken QMD, BMD having the complete interior part and in that QMD is there, so this complete angle and this angle will not become as a adjacent angle. You can't tell these two are the adjacent angle. Means suppose our I taken this P, Q, R and this. See which two adjacent angles are there? PQS and SQR. Why? They having the common arms and their interiors are separate. But if you are taken PQR and PQS, they will not become as a adjacent angle, because PQR means mine complete interior like that, and PQS I am taking this complete, means they having the common interior. So it will not, and their common arm, we if I said this in this PQ is a common arm, for PQS and PQR common arm is there, but interior are the common also becoming, so these two complete will not become as a adjacent angle. Understood? So you have to clear it. Here definition is given: two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angle. So what you have to do? New lesson heading you have to write. You have to recall, means this one angle you have to draw. There here whatever given, that fill in the blanks you have to do. Then you have to write a adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, this diagram you write, and which are adjacent that also pair write, and you have to write the definition. Afterward you have to complete our practice set 15. Practice set 15. Observe the figure and complete the table. Points in the interior which are there, that points you have to write. Point which point in the exterior which are that you write, and point which are on the arms that you have to write. Understood? Here adjacent angle pair, adjacent angle if you are understood, you can able to write. Here also adjacent angle pair you have to write. So you have to complete the practice set 15. Next time we will see. Okay, till goodbye.